I'm Reese. I'm in level 3 and I just ran a mile.
My name is Thomas. The workshop I'm in is Geo Mile. The purpose of Geo Mile is to develop clear, meaningful goals through running in studying countries.
Hi, I'm Eleanor James. First, we are taking a quiz to see what we don't know, and then after that, we are going to do flashcards to get better. It's a 25-country quiz, and it gets harder and harder as you go.
I've embraced challenges, practiced resistance, and cultivated growth mindset.
My name is Ezra. The test to pass is getting a 90% on a 195-country quiz and running a mile every day.
Hi, I'm Maddie. In this workshop, no matter what the weather is like outside, we have to run a mile. This teaches us to overcome hard challenges, and even when it's tough, to do it anyway.
Running this early in the morning helps me feel more awake and ready to learn.
I'm learning to unlock my potential and soar beyond limits.
We just crushed a mile run. Now these kids are about to go do their geography testing. These kids are super sharp. I'm excited to see what they do in the future. Right here, Alpha on 3. 1, 2, 3, Alpha! Let's go!